Alrighty, now we want to talk more about this big snow that it's working its way to town. And Dave, I can tell you, United and Southwest Airlines have already issued a travel alert for this weekend.
That's a good idea. Yeah, it's almost a slam dunk that we're going to see heavy snow around here. Now we're just dealing with how many inches it's all going to add up to. And today, actually, we had a cold front go through, which is nice. It kind of is going to ease us into this big change coming. It's kind of chilly out there in the 40s over most locations, but we're picking up a little bit of sunshine over the Mile High City. There's a little bit of wind kicking up as well. 35 in Broomfield, 30 downtown, 27 in Roxborough Park, coming out of the west here, but it's a cool batch of air, so it's not going to warm up a whole lot around here today, so a cool day. A little more wind as you move into southeastern Colorado. Look at that, La Junta, Lamar up into the 40s on miles per hour for their wind gusts there, and that whole area from just outside of Colorado Springs down through Pueblo over into Springfield, Lamar, Burlington has a red flag warning for wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour down there, and the humidity down to about 10% or less, so any little spark's going to take off, and that warning lasts until 6 p.m. this afternoon because of the wind we have coming through. Here's the first wave. You can see this circulation up around Nebraska, moving into South Dakota. There's more snow up here, but you can see us kind of getting a backwash here now with the wind and a little bit of snow in the mountains still going on there. We actually had some thunder snow in the western part of the state overnight last night. So with that moisture coming through, we still have advisories for more snow in some of those northern mountains here, and we may get a little sprinkle of rain or snow around here. Here's the big guy now, right? Making its way onshore around San Francisco here. Already some mountain snow in the Sierra Nevadas and rain at the lower elevations. What this guy will do now, let's follow it here on the forecast. It'll drop south first of all. So this storm starts to move out. Tomorrow, I think, will be a fairly dry day. We might have a few spits of rain mixed with snow. Not a lot coming our way tomorrow. And even the same thing on Friday. That low digs into L.A. and then by the end of the day on Friday into the afternoon, we might see a little light snow develop around here. But it's Friday night into the weekend when this guy really ramps up. There it is, about 11:30 Friday night. We start to see snow in Denver, bigger snow in the mountains, rain on the plains, and then Friday into Saturday, even more snow coming into play. And once this low gets out into southeastern Colorado and Kansas here, that upslope is just going to amplify and energize around here, and that happens Saturday night into Sunday, and I think that's when most of the snow will be falling around here. So here's a look at two models that project this now. By midnight on Friday into Saturday, might have an inch or so around the Denver metro area. A little more during the day on Saturday, and then Saturday night into Sunday, it ramps up, and that's where we could see up to 1 to 3 feet around the Front Range. That's one model called the European model. Another one, which is the GFS model or the American model, has even more snow coming our way by the time we get to Sunday night. So either one of those models you go with, heavy snow is coming our way, and we're going to be measuring it in feet. In the short term now, overnight tonight, might get a little rain, maybe an isolated thunderstorm in northeastern Colorado. Then we clear out. Tomorrow, some clouds, maybe a spit of rain or snow coming your way, and maybe a little rain in the afternoon. So in detail, here we go with our forecast. 51 today, light mix, 46 Thursday, the 30s roll into town, and that's where that big storm comes into play. Most of the snow, again, will accumulate Saturday night into Sunday when we set our clocks forward, too. All right, that's it. A lot to talk about there for you.
You did a great job. Thank you, Dave.
You bet.
Well, now is really the perfect time to make sure that you have our app. You can have the weather and the news, of course, anytime on CBS in Denver.